Hi everybody, I wanted to share a quick video with you on how to change the color of the hamburger menu. There's two ways you're going to view a hamburger menu. You can either create it on the home page, or if your navigation's on the top, then when you're in the builder, you go to mobile. And this right here on the top left is your hamburger menu. If I hit preview and I click on that, it's going to bring my menu down. This is a fake site that I have made for creating videos. I'm going to show you how to change the hamburger menu no matter where it's located. I'm going to hit back to the builder. I'm going to change my view back to desktop because it's the only way I can grab the code. And we're going to update the CSS code. CSS is the cascading style sheets, and there's a code in the background running in Experience Cloud, and we're going to override that. I do want to tell you that you need to be careful, that you do not want to change too much code because it can break with a release. Use it sparingly. You don't need to know how to code. If you go to my portfolio, which I have linked at the bottom of the video, find the tab that says Build Your Brand. I have some tools here, and I have a custom CSS code list for you. From this list, you're going to find the change the color of the hamburger menu, and you're going to copy this code from this curly bracket to the dot in front of Force Theme. Let's go back to my builder. And to override the code, I need to get to the code. On the top left, there's a paintbrush. It says Theme. Click on that. You may open it, and it might look different. If it does, click the back caret until it looks like this. Then click this drop-down caret and it says Edit the CSS. We're going to say yes, we want to use the overrides. I'm going to copy the code in here. I made it red. You can use any hex code or you can use an RGB code. Branding is really important on a website. You should be using all the same colors throughout the site. For instance, if your branding color was purple, you could put the hex code in there. It's more accurate to use hex codes or RGB codes than typing the word purple. But for this purpose, I have red, and you would just replace it with whatever code. You hit save. If I were to preview this in mobile, where I can see my hamburger menu, you can see that it is changed to red. I logged in on my mobile device to make sure that it actually does take effect, because sometimes this wireframe mobile you see is different than what you'll see on your phone. Go back to Builder. I'm going to go back to desktop mode and I hit publish, and publish is the same as save. Easy as that. Let's make it the color I have right here under my button, which I've already got the color stored here. To show you what this looks like, let's go back to the theme. Edit the CSS, and copy that color right in there. It's an RGB code. Hit save. Let's go to mobile view. And there you can see, if you want it to match your brand colors, why you would do that. You can find the link to my portfolio in the comments to grab the code and do this yourself. And don't forget to hit the publish button. Happy coding!